Hey, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a rustic entryway decor piece. I made it using placemats and naturally dried flowers. Let me know what you think about it and subscribe for more. Enjoy!
Found a photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top, but we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been. Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay. Cause I know how it felt when we raised hell. I won't forget that. But we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been. Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Killing time, Friday night, found a photograph. 7 days, and sugar's almost everywhere. It's oh so sweet. I'm almost melting on the street, and I don't know, what have you done with me, sugar girl? It's like a spell. I feel I float in caramel. Before there was a walk in pure bliss, with a cotton candy kiss, and for a second my heart skipped a beat. 3 other days were spent under the sheets, like an everlasting sweet. 2 small grains from the same sugar lamp. Just 7 days, and sugar's almost everywhere. It's so sweet. I'm almost melting on the street, and I don't know, what have you done with me, sugar girl? It's like a spell. I feel I float in caramel. Today's the 7th day since we first met, and I am sure I won't forget. Sugar boy, you emptied over me. For 7 days been cooking in the oven. Sun spit sugar sent to loving, blessed with gentle drops of warm green tea.